Question 1. What is CDMA? Answer. CDMA stands for Code Division Multiple Access. It is a wireless technology used in transmission of signals from places with high security and noise reduction. The principle of spread spectrum is used to work with CDMA. Spread signal is below the noise level and noise has no effect on the signal. CDMA is not a frequency specific to each user. Instead, every channel uses the full available spectrum. Individual conversations are encoded with a pseudo-random digital sequence. A unique code is received by all mobile network users and is allowed continuous network access instead of intermittent or timed access. Question 2. Explain CDMA Development Group (CDG). Answer. CDG is comprised of service providers, infrastructure manufacturers, device vendors, test equipment vendors, application developers, and content providers. Its members jointly define the technical requirements for the development of complementary systems CDMA 2004G and interoperability with other emerging wireless technologies to increase the availability of wireless products and services to consumers and businesses worldwide. Question 3. What is forward channels in CDMA? Answer. The forward channel CDMA is the direction of the communication or mobile to cell downlink path. Question 4. How many channels are there in CDMA forward channels? Answer. Forward channel consists of 4 channels, which includes pilot channel, sync channel, paging channel and forward traffic channels. Question 5. Explain pilot channel. Answer. Pilot channel is a reference channel using the mobile station to acquire the time and as a phase reference for coherent demodulation. It is continuously transmitted by each base station on each active CDMA frequency. Each mobile station tracks this signal continuously. Question 6. Explain sync channel. Answer. Synchronization channel carries a single repeating message and transmits the synchronization configuration information and the system of the mobile station in the CDMA system. Question 7. Explain paging channel. Answer. Paging channel's main objective is to send out pages, that is, notifications of incoming calls, to the mobile stations. The base station uses these pages to transmit system overhead information and mobile station specific messages. Question 8. Explain forward traffic channel. Answer. Forward traffic channels are code channels and used to assign calls, usually voice and signaling traffic to the individual users. Question 9. What is reverse channels in CDMA? Answer. The reverse CDMA channel is the mobile to cell direction of the communication or uplink path. Question 10. How many channels are there in CDMA reverse channels? Answer. Reverse channel consists of 2 channels, which includes access channels and reverse traffic channels. Question 11. Explain access channels. Answer. Access channels are used by mobile stations to establish communications with the base station or to answer paging channel messages. The access channel is used for short signaling message exchanges such as call-ups, responses to pages, and registrations. Question 12. Explain reverse traffic channels. Answer. Reverse traffic channels are used by individual users in their actual calls to transmit traffic from a single mobile station to one or more base stations. Question 13. Explain the CDMA capacity. Answer. The factors deciding capacity are processing gain, signal-to-noise ratio, voice activity factor and frequency reuse efficiency. Capacity in CDMA is soft. CDMA has all users on each frequency and users are separated by code. This means CDMA operates in the presence of noise and interference. In addition, neighboring cells use the same frequencies, which means no reuse. So, CDMA capacity calculations should be very simple. No code channels in a cell multiplied by no cells. But it is not that simple. Although not available code channels are 64, it may not be possible to use a single time, since the CDMA frequency is the same. Flexible capability means that all the code channels can be pursued at a time, but at the expense of quality. Question 14. Describe the centralized methods in CDMA. Answer. The band used in CDMA is 824 MHz to 894 MHz, 50 MHz plus 20 MHz separation. Frequency channel is divided into code channels, and 1.25 MHz of FDMA channel is divided into 64 code channels. Question 15. Explain processing gain in CDMA. Answer. P. Gain equals 10 log W by R. W is spread rate, R is data rate for CDMA. P. Gain equals 10 log 12,28,800 by 9,600 equals 21 dB. Actual processing gain equals P. Gain minus SNR equals 21 minus 7 equals 14 dB. CDMA uses variable rate coder. The voice activity factor of 0.4 is considered equals minus 4 dB. CDMA has 100% frequency reuse. Use of same frequency in surrounding cells causes some additional interference. In CDMA, frequency reuse efficiency is 0.67. 70% F equals minus 1.73 dB.